Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Z Flip 5. I'm going to be doing my 1 month review and update you guys on some things with this phone. So first things first is we'll start with the exterior. I did install this ZAG screen protector, and I do have a video on that. And I did say this had a lifetime warranty, so if I've had any issues with it, we would see how the warranty process goes. And as you can see here on the top, I don't know if you can see that right there, but it is starting to peel from the corner. Not too sure why, because I don't really use a case with this phone, so there's nothing on the front. I did try out some cases from time to time, but that didn't start happening until after. So not too sure why it's peeling up right there, but nonetheless it is. Here is my current outside display. I am using the Good Lock launcher right there for applications on the cover screen, and then just weather, basic stuff like that. And you know, just the simple widgets like that, nothing too special there. On the inside, we do have the Whitestone Dome screen protector installed. This is the Janus screen protector, which is the ultra thin glass. I did do a video on a 1 month follow-up on that, on how it's been doing, and nothing has changed since that. That was just a few days ago. It does have some fingerprints and stuff on it, but other than that, it is doing just fine. As you can see, battery life pretty good. As you can see here, the wallpaper and everything is just basic Samsung, no special launcher or anything like that. Got the battery widget and the device care widget with the storage and memory. And then over here we just have the weather. Really liking this phone. The hinge is very smooth. The hinge feels a lot different in my opinion on the Z Flip 5 as opposed to the Z Fold 5. It seems to open a lot smoother with a lot less force needed, and it's just easier to open in my opinion than the Z Flip 5. Not too sure if there's a difference in or anything in the hinge other than, you know, it's smaller, but it definitely feels a lot easier to open. I have been running the One UI 6 beta on this phone. I was having to sideload it because I got this one after the beta period ended for enrollment. But other than that, it is all good. It is on stable now. This was a T-Mobile version that I did convert over to the U1 unlocked firmware, so it gets rid of the boot screen and all that kind of stuff there as well. And I'm not having any issues with that whatsoever. And again, we are now on stable One UI 6. So I will be doing a One UI 6 video here shortly. Not too much has changed since my beta videos, but we will go over some stuff after I've had some more time to use stable, because I did just sideload the stable build a couple days ago. So that is where we're at with the Z Flip 5, and I also did order a OnePlus Open, so we will be comparing that to the Z Flip 5. It's not apples to apples because the OnePlus Open is more like a Fold 5, but we still will be comparing the Flip to the OnePlus Open because that's what I have, so that's what we'll be doing. But that's kind of my 1 month update on the Z Flip 5. I have been using this as my daily device, and just to be upfront, I know it does say there is no SIM in there right now, and that is the case because I did have it in my iPhone, or it is in my iPhone right now, for testing some iOS 17.2 beta stuff, but this is still my main device. This is what I have used a majority of the month. It is just taking a break for a couple days while I test again some stuff on iOS 17.2. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.